Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So there is two ways now how we can do that. The first one is the regular one, just from the settings application. Now just let's open the settings, and after that we should scroll to the wallpaper section. We can here see our lock screen, the look of our lock screen. We can click here to customize it, so we can select here one from the default wallpapers and just click here to save the changes. Also we can add here the new wallpaper from here. So here we have a lot of new options. We can use the photos from our device gallery, previously taken pictures or downloaded from the internet. We can use also the photo shuffle. We can use the emojis, so let's just create the new lock screen wallpaper with the emojis. We can use here maximum six emojis too. For example, let's use this cat, okay, the butterfly, this one, so let's use 4 emojis here. Just click here to this icon. We can also here switch the background. Just click here on the right down corner on these 3 dots and click to background. After that we can select one from these available colors, or also we can use here the sliders or spectrum or just grid to select the new color. You can create it, the new, for example, I'll use this one. Just click here to the X icon, and after that, just to save this wallpaper, you should click here on the right upper corner. But also we have here the new also options. We can change here the our fonts, so we can make it just by different fonts here. The colors also, we can select the color which we'll like. For example, let's use this. Okay, I just like this one. We can also change here the Arabic to Arabic Indic or Devanagari. So let's use, for example, these fonts. You can also add here the widgets, different widgets from just to your lock screen. So you, for example, you can set here the reminders, weather. For example, let's use the weather here, and we can also add, for example, the battery status. For example, this one. And after that, just let's click here to add, set as wallpaper, and let's lock our device. And now we can see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper. Also we can, let's go back to the wallpapers here section. We can use also the weather here tab, so your device will check just your currently weather in your location, and you'll see here for example the clouds or the sun. By the same way you can use just the astronomy, for example, while using the apps, and we can use the RSRs, details here, the moon, the solar system. So by the same way you can change here the just text sizes, the colors, and you can also use here all the default just tabs wallpapers, so you can create the new wallpapers here. And just we can also make it by the second way, just from your device lock screen. So just to do that, you should first unlock your smartphone, and after that just you should hold for a while your lock screen, and after that you can, for example, in my case I have created here a lot of new screens, and just now, for example, let's imagine that you have created only one. Just to create the new lock screen, you should just swipe to the right side and click here to this plus icon, and by the same way you can create something new, or just to use the one from these wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. Click here add. You can also here change the fonts, set as wallpaper, and after that you can just switch all your wallpapers or create the new ones from the screen. So that's the new features of iOS 16. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.